open access.
Open access.
Open access journals.
Acceso abierto.
Open access is free, immediate, online availability of research articles with full reuse rights.
The secrets of research are now available to all.
As a professor of integrative physiology at CU, my research program has been focused on the complex nature of the impacts that the stress response has on the whole organism. So the approach I've taken here in the research program I've developed at CU is to examine all aspects of the stress response, from the changes in the brain to the changes in the endocrine and nervous system in the periphery, signals that interact with the immune system, as well as more recently, a very exciting new area of research, which is changes in these commensal bacteria that live in our intestines, of which are in the billions. And we've learned that these bacteria that coexist with us also play a role in changing the way we respond to stressors. So open access publication is an answer to the changes that have happened with growing technology and the speed with which information needs to be disseminated. The positives of open access is that the entire review process occurs online at an incredible speed, so that your published work can get disseminated out to the scientific community within weeks rather than months.